Okay, we all know that writing consistently can sometimes suck because you don't always have that creative spark. On the other hand, if you're relying on the creative spark, you almost never write because it doesn't come around as often as you think. And the less you write, the less you sharpen your skills and the less you're releasing songs. So, fortunately, there's some methods that we can use to push past that block and actually write something worth sharing. So we start by free writing, putting on a beat and freely writing what comes to mind. Why? Because when you read back what you've free written, your predispositions, your desires become obvious. So if I was free writing about grinding, making money, my skill is better than yours, my aim there is clearly to become a Class A rapper. And then from there, what we do is use associations through thinking about the opposite. So if the aim is becoming a Class A rapper, what is the opposite of an aim? It's an obstacle. So what's the obstacle of becoming the Class A rapper? People wasting my time. So trying to become a Class A rapper, but it's people keep wasting my time. Is something you can start by writing, but that's a pretty plain, boring line. How do we spice that up? Well, second method is using similes to get you writing. If you don't know where to start, you start the next bar through thinking about a simile. Now, how do we get a simile? Which takes me to the third technique that I like to use, is asking who, what, where, when, right? That good old technique. So what else is a waste of time? Well, something like going to a doctor when you're ill and the doctor not having any knowledge on how to fix you. It's a clear waste of time, and I hate that. You know, you go to the doctor doesn't know what he's doing, just puts you on some pill. That's a waste of time. So the line can be, stop wasting my time like a clueless doctor. Now we've got something nice to work off. So stop wasting my time like a clueless doctor. And then again, we go back to the other method, who, what, where, when. So what are you going to do about people wasting my time like a clueless doctor? Now I'm just freeballing here, so don't judge me too much. But stop wasting my time like a clueless doctor. What are you going to do? You get banged like a useless boxer. So if you're wasting my time like a clueless doctor, you get banged like a useless boxer. So on and so forth. We keep going back to each method. Then when we get stuck again, we open up another page and do some more free writing, and just like that we can work off a good flow and actually put a 16 bar together that's worth sharing. Because one of the biggest mistakes that we make when we go to write a rap song, especially at the beginning when we're beginners, is not having a template. You open a blank page on your notepad in your phone and you just stare at it, beat playing in the background. I don't know what to write. Whereas if you work off a template using some of the methods that I've just shared here, it becomes way easier to actually write something. You're not just going with a blank page, you're going with a bit of a plan. And the plan's not rigid. It's not like, oh, I have to write a love song, I have to write about war, I have to write about the beef I've got with that guy. No, you actually, the plan itself, the template itself is actually free flowing, because you're using the technique of free writing, and then you're using similes, and then you're using opposite associations, and then you asking who, what, where, when, how. So I hope those things help you as much as they help me. Really short video, but I thought I'd share this because it's something that helps me get writing every time, and from there you can actually practice writing consistently, sharpen your skills. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you didn't, what are you still doing here? And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Channel is still here and it's because of you, so thank you.